What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. But today we're going to try What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. But today we are on vacation. It's my nephew right here. And where are we today?
Orange Beach, Alabama.
We're here for the full week and we decided to check out an action camera. And this is the Exprotreck and it is 4K Ultra HD. This thing was, how much was this thing? On Amazon?
$199.
No, it was like $109.
$109.
And there was like a $50 coupon on Amazon. There he goes right there. $50 coupon on Amazon. We'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out in current pricing. But this thing is a lot cheaper than like the standard GoPro. So we're gonna check out all the features this thing provides and see what we can do with this. For starters, what I really like about this is it's got two screens. It's got one on the back and it's touchscreen, and then one on the front. So the front one allows you to do all your little selfies and vlogs and what do you do? TikToks, yeah, all those things. So this is really cool. When we open this box, this thing came with a plethora of accessories. How many accessories does it come with? A lot? Mm-hmm. Like a ton. We'll just show everybody. It came with an excessive amount. And what's really cool is the mounts actually work with all my GoPro stuff. So when I bought a GoPro like 10 years ago, it came with all this stuff that you can use alongside GoPro mounts as well. So that's really cool. It interchanges with a lot of stuff. So if you already have that stuff, it's great. Let's go ahead and show you what you get in the box. So you got Exprotreck right here, Ultra HD 4K action camera, dual color screen display, 40 meters waterproof, dual screen, Wi-Fi, and Ultra HD 4K. So as you can see here, it comes with a lot of accessories. I would say a plethora of accessories. So you got a thick owner's manual right here. You have the camera mount here, the waterproof backing. And this is a mount. That way you can just put this in there without being waterproof if you want to. Then you got one that doesn't have a waterproof backing that goes onto this if you want. You got the camera right here. You got the remote, two spare batteries, or one spare battery, one battery to power the camera. Strap, more straps. Looks like lens cleaner, more sticky tape, and zip ties. Then you have a mount here. That's tape on the bottom. I got a mount right here with tape on the bottom. This has 1/4-20 mount for it. Then you got a bunch of different accessories and mounts and handlebar mount, clip mount, you name it. USB or micro USB charging plug, everything that you need right here. So as you can see, you get quite a few different mounts and double batteries, dual batteries. What's really cool is you get two batteries. You don't just get one, because we all know how it goes. Is you go out there and we're out on the beach and the battery dies and we have to wait an hour for it to charge. Not with this. The only downside to that is they don't provide you a way to charge the extra battery other than inside the device. So you'll have to make sure that they're all charged. Another cool thing is it does come with a remote. So you can strap this on your arm and all that when you're out there surfing. Do you surf?
No.
He doesn't know how to surf. We're from Kansas City, Jeff City. He doesn't know how to surf. We don't know how to surf. But anyways, it comes with a remote and you can use this, and it has a record button and a picture mode button. And you just strapped it on with a strap onto your wrist and you're able to turn on the camera or take a picture if the camera is out and about. So what we're gonna do is we kind of let them loose for a day and let them take some video, and we're gonna show you a bunch of video clips, kind of sample footage of what you get. We did not have the EIS, which is the electronic image stabilization on when we did all this, so it was a little shaky a little bit, but that's one cool thing too, is this thing has EIS, which allows you to kind of gives you an image stabilization. Smooth mode, I guess, is what kind of GoPro goes with it. And so I'm going to show you real quick here. I went down the hallway here at our condo and did a little running back and forth, so you can kind of get an idea of how smooth it smooths out the motion. But before we get to the actual sample footage, we're going to go ahead and show you a little bit about the menus on the camera. So here's the main menu here at the top left. It shows you that it's on video mode, how much time you've left, and then it's got a SD card in, microphone's on, battery life left. Play, we can play through the videos we have on this camera, an indicator. Then you can do all the different modes that you want to do for the camera. Settings, we'll go into settings here, different resolutions, 4K, 180, 720p, all the way. Then in this mode, you can turn on EIS, white balance, exposure setting, meter mode, sharpness, whoops, this one on the bottom, video quality, ISO, time watermark, and record audio on and off. You go to settings, image rotation, Wi-Fi, turn it on and off so that you can get it connected to your phone. Reset Wi-Fi, light source sequence, LED indicator. That's one thing that we didn't mention is the LED indicator. It was kind of hard to know if it was recording. Auto screensaver, 30 seconds, and then 3 minutes auto power off. Now, one way to get it to the front camera, you have to hold this button over here, and then it'll turn it on. There it is right there. You're yawning over there. So then on the side here, you have the SD card right here, slot, micro USB charging port, and then you also have, well, actually that's mini HDMI, I think. And then you have micro USB charging port. On the side here, you got 2 buttons. And then at the bottom, you have the mount for quarter 20. And then you have battery door here. Top, you have the power button. And you just hold and press off. All right, so a few final thoughts that we have about this. What are some of the things that you liked about this camera when you used it?
It has a touch screen.
Yeah, that was a really cool idea. I mean, it's pretty easy to use and touchscreen. The only problem with that is the touchscreen doesn't work when you have the waterproof casing on it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It sucks.
It's super light. He had mentioned that it's super light. I didn't even think about that, but it's super light. Really easy to kind of leave on your, maybe have it on your arm or on your head or whatever mount you're going to use. Pretty easy to do that. One thing we did forget to mention is it does have an iPhone and Android app.
Mm-hmm.
So you can actually use your phone and see what this is viewing and kind of record with it as well. We didn't really go through that because that kind of comes cumbersome a little bit that I've noticed with other things. It's just something I really don't think about using, but it does use, you can use an iPhone app or Android. The quality of the video was actually pretty good. I don't know what I was expecting on this for kind of a budget style action camera, but they've come a long way since, I mean, GoPro was the front runner for everything. They kind of started this whole thing out. And so now for $100, or actually if you get the coupon, it's $50, right? $59, it's really cheap. You can get a really nice and cool action camera and throw it to your nephew and let him play with it and not worry about it, right? You damage it, right? You're all over the place. But so the quality of the video is actually really good. I really didn't have any idea of what it would look like, but it's pretty good as you see. At the beginning, we did have the time stamp on. I recommend taking that off. I think it's kind of stupid to have that on there, but that's my personal opinion. But yeah, other than that, do you have anything else? No? Well, like I said, we'll have a link in the description below so you can check it out yourself for current pricing. And if you want to purchase it, go ahead and there's the link. If you have any questions, comments, or opinions about this, put in the comment section below. If this video helped you out in any way, please leave a like. And if this is your first time to our channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.
Bye.